Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and today I'm sharing with you the next color in my rainbow box featuring Calico Collage designs and my artwork together to create the outrageous orange journal box or creative box. So this box is $24.99 and I'm going to go through all the goodies that you get in the box. You get an exclusive color of Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist that matches everything in the kit. You get a goodie pack of items that I have hand selected, so let's get started on all of these items. You get a little paper bag, a couple of these little tickets, a journal card, another little journal card, kind of a cool diamond colored printed card, some corrugated card. This is white watercolor paper that's smooth, a couple of doilies, a large watercolor card that is rough on one side and smooth on the other. This is chalk paper, so you can use chalk on this or gel pens. And this is craft, another craft, a white. And this is like a tag to pick up an item. So everybody gets one of those. And here's some black cardstock. Here is a bright orange A2 envelope. And the kits are going to have a variety. Some may have this design, but they'll all have a paper sack with an orange print. This is a file folder, so when you fold this up, you get a little file folder. Another craft card, a larger craft card. Page out of a dictionary, another page out of a dictionary. Or actually, that's a Bible. There's might be two of them in there. Yep, two of those. And then two larger pages out of dictionaries. This beautiful gold foiled paper all comes in the goodie packs that I have put together. And then this is I guess you call embellishments. So we'll go through all of these so you can see what we've got here. So we've got a piece of canvas. We've got some fuzzy fibers that are a beautiful orange. Kind of a peachy orange fibers, like eyelash trim. And this is a beautiful little orange yarn. And then we have some orange hemp cord. Then we have a yard of this beautiful lace that can be sprayed. And then we have a yard of this beautiful cord as well. And then inside this little goodie bag, I may be having a couple more items that I'll add that have not arrived at the time of this filming. But in here you're going to get sequins and beads and cool paper clips and buttons and rhinestones and a couple of charms as well as bulb pins. I've got some in copper and some in bronze. And then here's another little charm. The charms are random. It just kind of depends upon what's going on, and some little beads in there as well. So a lot of variety of little embellishments that you can glue on or make a shaker card, whatever you so choose. Let me get this all back in the envelope. Easier said than done sometimes. So that's all the goodies that I have hand selected that come in the kit. This is an exclusive stencil. So let me get a piece of paper to put behind it so you can see what it looks like. This is an exclusive stencil that I created and then I've cut on my own laser. So it's beautiful, I think, in design. It's going to be a lot of fun to use. And then you get a printed journal that is 8.5 tall by 5.5 wide and has 12 pages on the inside. The artwork that you see in here, so when you see the lilies here, I hand painted that, scanned it in, and sent it to Norella. She also used some of my gel prints to do some of the artwork. This doodle here is something that I drew myself, and then she pulled it in as a graphic to use. And then here on the side you see the gel print down the side here. That's something that I did. And then she used the flowers that I drew. And then again, like I said, this is 12 pages in this little journal here. And then you get 3 sheets of ephemera. So there's the flowers that I drew. And here is using that stencil to make an element in the kit. And then this one, again, she used the stencil design to make an element background. And across here as well as here. Corner pocket, little sign. This is a little pocket that you can put in the kit. And a little library card. And then another card, and then the cloche, I think. So, this is the outrageous orange kit that is now available in my shop. So now what I'm going to do is show you the add-on items that you can get in addition to this. So this is $24.99 plus shipping in my shop right now. As a part of the kit, what you can do when you get to my website, there's a drop-down list. And in that drop-down list, there's options. So you can get just the kit. That's all you want. You can get just the kit. If you want to add other items with no additional shipping, you can drop down and you can pick one with the digital download. So when I get ready, I'll say this is the same as the digital download. And then you can also pick the mini journal. This is a small journal that prints out at 5 by 7. So it ends up being, I think it's 3.5 by something. I always forget. So this is 5 by 7, and so when you cut that in half, it'd be 3.5 by 5, okay? So this is one of the covers. This is the other side of the cover. And again, I hand drew that, and then Norella used it as a background. And then this is the other cover. That's a gel print that she used down the middle, and then these are the flowers that I hand painted. And then it comes with 4 two-sided journal pages. So here's the first page. There's the other side of it. Here's the second page. There's the other side of it. I think I had it upside down. The next page. Well, this is upside down in my sample, but it will be printed correctly when I get it done. And then here's the other one. So that will be included in the kit as well as an add-on for $7.99. You can also add a printed, expanded journal kit. This is $14.99. The same images are also available as a digital download, and when you order it with the kit, you get it for $10.99. If all you want is the digital download period, you don't want the subscription box style box, which is the rainbow box. It's not a subscription, it's just a regular box that you can buy one or not. It's not a subscription. You can get the digital download, though, for $14.99 as a standalone item. Or you can add it to the kit for $10.99. And it has 2 covers. So here's the first cover. There's the inside of that cover. The second cover, there's the inside. It comes with 7 two-sided pages. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. And this one has planner pages in it. We decided to do the same as the Radiant Red. It had planner pages in it, so we decided for the rainbow we continue to have planner pages. Here's the next page. Here's the next page. There's the next page. Next page. This one's a full month, so you can put that in the center of your journal if you wanted, or have it as a fold out, but you'll have the whole month that you can write. And then it comes with 6 fussy cut elements. This is 100-pound cardstock. I didn't mention that earlier. It's 100-pound cardstock. And then the journal pages are a really nice, I can't remember if it's 28-pound or 24-pound. And it's all done on a laser, professional laser printed. So here's the first fussy cut page. Here's the second fussy cut page. I love how she did the little elements and little squares, so you can use those to decorate your pages. Here's the third one, and it's 2-sided. So when you fold it up, you'll see this side of the page, or if you have little pieces left over, you can use that as well as your artwork. Then you get these journal cards and belly band. You get more fussy cut items. And then this is a whole page of journal cards. So that is an add-on that you can order at the same time, that's also available as a digital in my shop when you order the Outrageous Orange. Also available in my shop, I decided to have a exclusive butterfly kit or bundle, if you will. So you get this large butterfly that is approximately 4 by 4 in size, and then you get the smaller monarch butterfly that is about 2.5 by 2 inches tall. You get a tiny little butterfly that is about 1 3/4 by about 1 inch. And then you get the saying, if nothing ever changed, there would be no butterflies. And that is about a 3 inch by about a 3/4 of an inch in size. And that's a bundle that's available in my shop, that if you order at the same time as the kit, you don't have to pay additional shipping. And this bundle will go for normally retail price $39.55. But if you buy it in my shop, it'll be $29.99. So I hope you enjoy that as well. I also have a stencil club that I have just started, and my stencils are dirty, but I think you get the idea. This is the first designs for the stencil club. It is $19.99 a month, and this is my prototype, so there'll be a little slight different, but that's pretty much one of the images that are the stencils, and then this is one of the others as well. And if you will watch my YouTube live videos, you will see how I use these and the butterfly stamps to make a journal. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed seeing what's going to be in the Outrageous Orange and some of the add-on items that I have available in my shop. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm here to help you and hopefully make this a fun experience of getting a kit and being able to put it together and use all the items in that kit. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a fabulous day. Remember, I'm live on Mondays, 3:45 p.m., on Thursdays at 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.